Thank you for joining.
Gotta catch the plane at 7:30. Why haven't you come to say goodbye? Time is running out and I'm still waiting. I'm so lost without you, I could die.
Yesterday you say you love me, everything seemed to be fine. The dear rider runs unknowingly. It's the waiting that driving me out of my mind.
Don't know how to sing in that big city. How can I be poor when you're not there? This will be the worst of all my journey. The image of your face will follow me everywhere.
Give your tender kisses, the feel of your hands, your kiss. The perfume was me burning. My journey to touch you, I need you so much.
If you're not here by my side, can't hold back the tears I'll try to hide. Don't think I can take it. I know I will make it without you.
You're not here by my side. Only your love keeps me alive. No sense I'm dreaming. My life has no meaning if you're not here.
I need your tender kisses, the feel of your hair to caress, the perfume